Hey, in this short tutorial I'll show you how to build a business directory, job board, real estate, classifieds, or basically any listing website with WordPress for free. I'm gonna use the free Listing Hive theme and the HivePress plugin that has all the required features for building a directory, like user registration, listing submission, and listing search, along with the optional location search. You'll be able to manage your own listing categories and of course listings with custom category specific fields and features. Okay, so let's start with a clean WordPress installation and navigate to the WordPress dashboard first. Next, you need to install the Listing Hive theme by going to the Appearance, Themes page and then clicking Add New. Now, you can simply type Listing Hive in the search field to find it, and then click on the Install button. Once it's successfully installed, click on the Activate button. Now, after the theme is installed and activated, it recommends installing HivePress, a plugin that powers its directory features. Proceed by clicking the recommended plugins link, and then start the HivePress installation. After HivePress is successfully downloaded and installed, click on the return link and then proceed by activating HivePress. That's it! After you install the Listing Hive theme and the HivePress plugin, you can start building your directory. There are new menu items in the WordPress menu where you can adjust the HivePress settings, manage categories, moderate listings, and so on. I highly recommend downloading and importing the Listing Hive demo content via this link at the top to start with existing layouts and get a better understanding of how everything works. Simply click on the link and you'll be taken to the HivePress website where you can download the demo content files. That's it, the necessary files are downloaded and now we can return to our website. Now, you need to navigate to the Plugins Add New page to install the Demo Import plugin. Simply type one-click Demo Import in the search field to find it, and then proceed by clicking on the Install Now button. Once it's successfully installed, click on the Activate button. Then, go to the Appearance Import Demo Data page and select the corresponding demo files that you downloaded from the HivePress website. Now, you can start importing the demo content. After the import is successfully finished, you should get the same content and layout as on the Listing Hive demo site. Let's take a look. That's it! If you have any questions, you can check the HivePress documentation or join the community forum. Have a great day!